Hey, what's going on, everybody? My name is Welch, owner and founder of 92 Social. Welcome to the YouTube channel. Yeah, we have a YouTube channel. Go on, check our videos out. We did a podcast. We also did a day in the life of a content creator. And also, what are 3 mistakes a law firm makes on social media? So go on, check that out. Leave me a comment below and tell me, what do you think of these videos? So today I'll be teaching you 5 great tools for social media that I use every single day that'll help you grow your community online. So the first tool that I use every single day, and it's a Google Chrome extension, it's called Grammarly. Grammarly is a great tool where you can just fire off some emails. You know, you're writing copy for social media, and you know you're in a rush, and the grammar, the spelling, the punctuation, it kind of gets left behind. Grammarly has your back. So this is where they pretty much proofread your work. But I use the free service, and it is a life changer. It is a lifesaver for me when I write emails and etc. So the second tool for me that I use, now this is what I use every single day when I create social media content. As soon as it was brought to me, as soon as it was introduced to me, I'm like, this is amazing. So when you're creating content, you want to get the brand colors. You want to get the exact brand colors. So how do you get that? Well, it's another Google Chrome extension, and it's called Eyedropper. Oh, buddy, it gives you the exact color, gives you the exact color code. It gives you more information that you need to create the content. Make sure you get the brand colors all synchronized, and it's so easy to use, and it also saves all those colors. So you don't have to keep eyedropping it. It is already there. No, I use it every single day, and it's one of those things where I can't see myself without using this tool. So the third tool that I use, I don't use it every single day, but when I do create content that is, that could be a blog post or more so the corporate style. I actually learned this from Simply Digital. Check him out on TikTok. He is fantastic for stuff like this. But it is called Undraw. So it is animations for different subjects. So for example, if you want an animation for a blog post or even just a social media content, you can type in marketing, for example, and it'll pop up different graphics that you can just drag and drop to your blog post or social media content. It just adds another level of authenticity to your work that is not, and doesn't look like it's unprofessional. This really steps up your game, and it is very, very easy to use. And this is a website, so it's not a Google Chrome extension. You do have to visit the website, but it is super easy and it's free. So step number 4, tool number 4, I use this every single time I post a YouTube video. It tells you, did I say it? It's VidIQ. There you go, VidIQ. So what they do is they help you find the right tags, the right keywords, and also checks out your competitors and see what they're doing. So one of the tips that I do while using VidIQ is that when I'm about to release a YouTube clip, I always go over to my competitors and see what tags that they use and what's trending, what's something that I can use that they're using. So it gives you a more in-depth look on YouTube videos, keywords, tags, and it gives you more analytical data that you can just kind of go off of when you're starting to develop ideas for your YouTube channel. So VidIQ, and it's free. There's a free version and there's also a paid version. But if you don't want to spend, it's a great free tool to use. So number 5, and this is for me the most crucial tip that I use, and I know that it's not unpopular. It's very popular in the content creation game. It's called Canva. Oh man, I turned so many people onto Canva that people can't not use it. It's full of templates. It's easy to use, free to use. There is also a paid program for this, but the free, unbeatable. You can do invoices, you can do ebooks, content creation, of course, and anything. The opportunities are endless. I use it for my proposals. I use it for everything. It's a daily use. Canva. Go on, check them out. And again, if you have used Canva, let me know in the comments below. What have you been using it for? Because there's so many things you can use Canva for, and it's always interesting to see how people use it. All right, so that was 5 tools that I use every single day as a social media content creator. Let me know if you learned anything in this video. Comment below, hit the subscribe button, hit that subscribe button, and make sure you follow on the 92 social community. We're here to build a community for small businesses and to teach everyone the ins and outs of social media. And if you have any questions about social media, where do you go? I don't know. I do. Riley at 92social.ca.